Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Oh, it's 10 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes,
By the way, my name is Chung. Nice to meet you.
my name is Dian. Nice to meet you too.
How old are you, dear?
I'm 24 years old.
You're 24 years old.
Yes,
What do you do?
I'm a student and I'm studying at Hanoi University of Mining and Geology.
You're a student.
Yes,
What time do you usually go to school?
at 6 o'clock. I usually go to school at 6 o'clock in the morning.
At 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yes,
How far is it from your room to your school?
about 500 meters. That's about 500 meters from my room to my school.
About 500 meters.
Yes,
How do you usually go to school?
on foot. I usually go to school on foot.
On foot?
Yes,
And how long does it take you to get there?
about 10 minutes. Takes me about 10 minutes to get there.
About 10 minutes.
Yes,
What time do you usually come back home from school?
uh, 12 o'clock. I usually come back home from school at 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock.
Yes,
And the last question, what do you usually do after coming back home?
well, after coming back home, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch?
Yes,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ciao.
Ciao.